a whole chicken in which you would cut into 4/4. You'll need chicken seasoning. The complete ingredients are listed in the description below. You're going to need all-purpose seasoning, quarter teaspoon of cinnamon powder, jerk powdered seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika, jerk sauce, you'll need to use the gloves to rub the marinade because there is a lot of pepper in the sauce, the jerk sauce itself. You're also going to need soy sauce and browning. Place your chicken into a baking pan. Cover your pan with the lid and place it into the oven, 350 degrees. Cook in this for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove the lid, place the pan back into the oven for another 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes, it's time for you to remove the chicken from the pan itself. Okay, the sauce from the pan, you can place it into a saucepan, and that's what we're going to use to baste the chicken on the grill. And also the additional marinade that's left back into the bowl, you're going to also add that to the sauce. You want to scrape every bit out. And we're now going to go outside where we're going to light up the barbecue grill. Okay, so now we're at the grill, and I have put charcoal at the bottom of the grill. Now I'm placing wood chip and some more charcoal. And here's a tip: charcoal is best for doing jerk. You will get the best flavor because of the smoke flavor that comes from the charcoal. Here I'm adding more charcoal and a bit more wood chip, fuel, and then I'm lighting the charcoal. Placing the grill back onto the grill. Cover my lid so it can so it would not out the fire. It's time to place the chicken onto the grill. After you've placed the chicken onto the grill, you're going to close the grill and allow it to get smoked. You can check on it every 5 minutes. You don't want to get your chicken burnt, so you want to check every 5 minutes and baste the chicken with the sauce. Just keep repeating that process, basting the chicken with the sauce until your chicken is basically to a color that you desire. The chicken is already cooked from in the oven, so all you're doing at this point is giving the chicken the smoke. You're allowing it to get smoked on the grill. Look at that, so beautiful. Thumbs up if you're liking this video so far. And also don't forget to subscribe because I'll be coming with a lot of awesome videos. Okay, so we're almost done. Now we're gonna take the chicken off the grill and we're gonna go back into the house, and we're basically going to chop up our chicken. So let's get, who's ready to eat? Because I know I am. So we're good. Here's what my chicken looked like after it's completely removed from the grill. And I'm just placing it on a chopping board, and I'm going to chop my chicken as they would do in Jamaica. Okay guys, so there it is, my jerk chicken at its best.